I don't know how heaven could be better than this.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Anika Castillo. I wanted to bring to you all my postpartum update. So let me kind of backtrack here. I still have several videos that are actually pregnancy related to get up. I didn't end up filming them yet because just a plethora of reasons. Like for instance, my what's in my hospital bag, I still want to get that up. Also like pregnancy essentials, newborn essentials, stuff like that. I want to get that up, but I haven't filmed those yet. I didn't really film like what's in my hospital bag before because I was just in so much pain and I had complications prior to going in for my C-section. And I felt like I was gonna go in at any time and I should have packed, but I didn't feel like filming at that point because it was just like too hard on me. So I didn't end up doing that. You know, at this point, I just feel like I need to get this video up. So yeah. Now I am currently 6 weeks postpartum, which came by really fast. My baby girl is 6 weeks old. That's right, I had a baby girl and her name is Brenly and here she is. Say hi, Bubby. So Miss Brenly is 6 weeks old and so she's changed a whole lot in that whole 6 weeks, obviously. But that's what she looks like. She was a tiny little peanut. I'll give more details on you in a different video that's more about her. But I just wanted to introduce you all to her. And yeah, this is little Miss Brenly Noel and she is 6 weeks old. And she sneezes really cute. Bless you. So just to recap, it's been 6 weeks since I gave birth. It's right now the middle of May. I gave birth at the beginning of April. The first couple weeks were a true struggle. I'm not going to lie. I forgot what it was like, you know, being so freshly postpartum. Your emotions are so raw and real. I was super stressed out in the very beginning. Hold on, Brenly's crying. It's really hard as a stay-at-home mom to get things done around the house during the day, especially with the baby. I've been just trying to keep the house sustained, meaning doing the cooking, the cleaning, the laundry, all that kind of stuff. And I haven't had time to film. I just haven't. Or even edit or any of that. So that hasn't been on my mind. But the last month and a half, although it's been hard, postpartum blues are a real thing. I am so happy right now. I am so in love. I feel like I've overcome the emotions that are immediately after giving birth. It's really hard. Aside from the baby interrupting me filming, my other daughter is home on summer break, so she is kind of constantly interrupting my filming as well. So that's why I have kind of slacked off in the YouTube world, but really still, I'm going to be balancing the rest of this video. Anyhow, basically I'm going to start doing my postpartum weight loss journey and all of that and get into the nitty-gritty of it all. I want to transform my channel to kind of be like a lifestyle channel versus just being, you know, beauty or DIY. I want to encompass all of it. I want it to be my life, me and my kids' lives growing, vlogs, DIYs, fun stuff like that. Just doing stuff that I enjoy versus doing stuff that is, you know, popular or whatever. Because that's really what I started out to do my channel as, something to make me happy and something to be as a hobby versus something to please other people. So anyway, I just want to give you a quick update. I will give better videos in the near future, but until then, here is little Miss Brenly and she's gonna say bye-bye, and I will see you in my next video. Please comment, please rate and subscribe, and thank you all so much for supporting me and being along in this journey. Bye.